Hello my beautiful people, how are you doing? I just hope you're fine. Welcome back to Nimisha's little world. This is going to be my first video shoot in India. I'm proud and I'm so happy that I'm married, and yeah, this is going to be probably my first shoot. So welcome back to my video. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. If you love this video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you do not like this video, then thumbs down, no problem. Please do not forget to comment on my video. So today's video is all about homemade sanitizer. As you guys know, coronavirus has become a major issue all over India. So what I wanted to share with you guys is that the sanitizers nowadays are out of market and most of them are really expensive. So why not make sanitizers at home? Only with two ingredients. What we are going to use is this aloe vera gel and rubbing alcohol. Only these two ingredients are going to give you the perfect homemade sanitizer that's going to leave your hands really moisturized and soft. So yeah, let's start. We'll just need an empty container to fill the sanitizer that we are going to make. You can use any container that you want. A very clean spoon and a very clean bowl. Just that. And we're going to start off. So as I told you, in a very clean bowl and a very clean spoon, we are going to mix these two ingredients together. So here I'm taking 100 ml of rubbing alcohol that you can get it in any medical stores. Just going to open it and pour all of it inside. So now over here the measurement is as follows. If you're taking 100 ml of rubbing alcohol, then take 50 ml of the aloe vera gel. You can use any aloe vera gel that you like. Here I'm using Patanjali aloe vera gel. So 50 ml goes inside. That's going to be roughly like 3 spoons. Okay. Then we're just going to mix it together slowly. The consistency is going to be perfect, just like the sanitizers that you guys buy in the market. Do let me know any other videos that you guys are planning for me to make. Okay, we need one more spoon. One more spoon of the aloe vera gel goes inside. That's all. Slowly by slowly we are going to mix it. Make sure it doesn't pour. Rubbing alcohol is really good. It kills all the germs, and when you make this sanitizer at home, it's going to cost you really cheap, rather than buying the store-bought ones that get over really easily. You can store this for about 3 months or so. It won't get expired. So the sanitizer is ready. I have an empty sanitizer bottle over here. This is, you can just recycle any bottles that you have. I'm just going to fill this sanitizer inside this bottle just now. Stop. So my beautiful people, I'm so happy that our homemade sanitizer is ready. As you can see, it just looks like the store-bought one. Do not forget to store the bottle for after use. Whenever you get any items that are shaped like this, whether it's a hygiene wash or body wash or body scrub, and such type of a bottle, do not throw it. Please do recycle. Okay, like you see, I recycled this one. Now I can store my beautiful homemade sanitizer over here. So let me show you guys the consistency, how it looks like. So I'll open the bottle, pour 1 or 2 drops there, close it well. I'm going to rub through my palms. My hands are super duper clean. Coronavirus is becoming a major issue all over the world, as I said before. So I've been praying for people who are diagnosed with the corona to get well soon, and other people not to get coronavirus. So please keep safe. Please, you guys, take care of yourselves. Wash your hands frequently, and do not forget to sanitize your hands with the sanitizer. So my wonderful people, thank you so much for watching this video. As you guys know, I'm a makeup artist. I do take makeup orders and all that. Today I did some gorgeous makeup on my sister, and I would like to call upon Dhruvi to show you guys what I did on her face today. So Dhruvi, come. See, I did makeup. Okay, she doesn't do eyebrows, she doesn't do upper lips, but see how gorgeous her makeup looks. Dhruv, close your eyes. Perfect makeup. She loved it. And as you guys know me, and my different makeup looks are on hand always whenever I love dressing up and all that. And recently I got married with my love Ashish, so I'm very happy in my beautiful married life. I thank God for blessing me with a really good family. I'm very happy with everything. Currently I'm in India. I'm going to stay over here, opening my new vlogging channel soon. Thank you so much guys for all your support. I need subscribers, I need likes, I need people to tell me what wrong am I doing with my videos. You guys are the best. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to try the recipe I gave you on the homemade sanitizer, and do let me know how it turns out. Alright, and any other suggestions, do let me know. Hair tips, love tips are coming soon. Skin tips, natural home remedies are coming soon. Homemade manicure, pedicure coming soon. And makeup ideas and other hauls and everything. And also I've opened my new shop called Nimisha's Little Empire, whereby I'm selling my stuff like kurtis, like I have menswear, I have women's wear, I've got all the electronic items, I've got shoes, I've got perfumes, I've got much more. I've got household wear, I've got kitchenware, I've got bakeware, I've got all types of stuff. Like whatever you say, Nimisha's got it. So yeah, that platform is coming soon. I'll let you know once my website is out. Otherwise, do follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Nimisha's Little World or Nimisha Bhatt. Thank you so much once again for your support. Please share my video. Please do not forget to like if you do like it, or else thumbs down as I said before. Yeah, thank you so much. Goodbye. This is Nimisha Bhatt signing out.